Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this simple, elegant updo in just a few minutes. To start, I'm going to add some volume powder to the crown area at the roots. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Next, I've decided that I'm going to add a little bit of back combing to increase the height. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. Once you've got everything back combed, just smooth the top layer with the edge of your comb. And then we're just going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides. Clip this out of the way for now. With the remaining hair, just secure this into a ponytail at the nape of the neck. Then gently pinch and pull the hair to create a little bit of messy volume. Divide your ponytail in half, and starting on the left hand side I'm going to divide it in half again, and I'm just going to create a simple knot like you would as if you were tying your shoelaces. Then just keep recreating knots all the way down until you run out of hair, and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then repeat the same steps on the other side, so split it in half, create your knot as if you were tying your shoelaces, and then carry on doing those knots until you run out of hair. Now, taking hold of that left hand strand, I'm going to hold it in the middle and at the end and bring it up to the left hand side of that elastic band and create a circle, tucking the ends underneath. Then secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to repeat the same steps on the right hand side. So grab your strand, bring it up to the right hand side, roll it into a circle and tuck the ends underneath and secure with some bobby pins. Then we're going to gently pinch and pull at each twist and turn of this bun just to make it more voluminous. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.